Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestylediyw, and today's DIY is short, simple, and sweet. It's the toilet tissue paper DIY pumpkins that I actually was inspired from off Pinterest. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and I hope you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Now look at this cute little DIY pumpkin. Aren't they so adorable? Yes, they are. Made from toilet tissue paper with a simple cloth napkin, and I'm going to give you two versions of the toilet paper DIY pumpkins, okay? So as you see here, it's something short and cute, and it was simple, and it goes along with my decor that I will be decorating for fall. All I literally did was unravel some toilet paper, and I wrap it around the actual toilet paper roll itself, and then I take the napkin and I fold it over and I stuff it in the hole. That's it. I removed some sticks, and like I did here, I added some leaves, and I just added a little ribbon to give it a little greenery, and I thought she turned out amazing. Look at them. So cute and precious. I love them. So now I want to show you how to make this pumpkin that is wrapped in ribbon without the actual tissue paper roll, the cardboard piece that's inside of the tissue paper. That's what these pumpkins were made out of, just plain tissue. There's no stuffing the roll or anything. So the first thing you want to do is actually just unravel as much tissue as you can. The more tissue that you unravel, the more tissue that you wrap numerous times around your hand, the bigger the pumpkin should be. Now, if you're using 2-ply, then it'll definitely be a thick pumpkin. But I'm using Dollar Tree tissue just to show you another way to make it. Now, you want to wrap it as many times. I believe I wrapped it in the video at least like 32 times. I think I counted. And don't quote me on that. I use a plastic bag to cover the tissue once I've, started forming my pumpkin. And then after that, I take my ribbon and I start from the middle. Now, I pull the ribbon. I know I'm going in a time-lapse video, but I pull the ribbon through the middle, and I just pull it through the hole and wrap it around the plastic each time so it can continuously form my pumpkin. I add my stick, I add my leaves, I add my flour or whatever I'm going to use, and it comes out just like this. Now, I know my video was in a time-lapse frame, and so if you really want me to do it in a slow, normal pace video, please leave me a comment below. I will definitely put that together for you guys because it's not a hard DIY. I know it was going fast, but it's literally wrapping the tissue around your hand 30 times, then wrapping plastic or just leaving it as it is around the tissue just to secure it and form the pumpkin a little bit more, and then wrapping your ribbon or even your napkin. And that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you follow my hashtag this month for fall decor style so you can stay tuned with all my fall decor that I'm releasing for autumn. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Totally appreciate it. Love you guys. Bye.